Welcome to this video on why your circuit breaker trips. We will explore the hidden science of arc faults and how these electrical phenomena threaten your home. We often attribute a tripping breaker to the usual suspects or traditional causes of circuit interruption. Let's look at the two most common reasons. An electrical overload happens when the current exceeds the breaker's rated capacity, causing a thermal trip. A short circuit is a massive, instantaneous current spike when a hot wire touches a neutral or ground wire, tripping the breaker magnetically. Beyond these, there is an invisible threat: arc faults. This video will unmask this dangerous phenomenon and show why it is a leading cause of electrical fires. An arc fault is an unintended electrical discharge that jumps through air or across damaged insulation. This process ionizes air molecules, creating a plasma path that conducts electricity. The released energy can reach temperatures over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Arc faults are dangerous due to extreme heat that ignites materials, and their intermittent nature makes them hard to diagnose. Because they may draw little current, they often remain below a standard breaker's trip threshold, posing an invisible threat. According to NFPA reports, arcing faults are the primary cause of electrical fires, accounting for 45% of incidents. Overloads and short circuits make up 45% combined. The adoption of arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, has led to a significant decrease in annual home electrical fire incidents, as seen in this trend graph. Arc faults are often triggered by physical damage, like nails in walls or loose connections. Aging infrastructure and rodent infestation can also be hidden triggers for these dangerous events. The national impact of electrical fires is staggering, resulting in 51,000 incidents annually. This leads to over 500 deaths, 1,400 injuries, and $1.3 billion in property damage each year. AFCI devices use advanced electronics and digital signal processing to recognize the unique high-frequency signature of an arc. By identifying this specific waveform, they can disconnect power in milliseconds, preventing a fire. Stay informed and stay safe. If you have questions about arc faults or AFCI protection, consult a licensed electrician to verify your home's protection level.